Right, children. So today we are going to start the revision for Honeysuckle book, chapter number 7, Fair Play, which is coming in PT3 exam. Okay. So I'm going to because the chapter has already been explained it to you. So I'm going to highlight the few points that are very important in the chapter. So even if the chapter will come in Google form, then also you can able to answer the questions. Okay. So important things are that I'm highlighting the important things. So Chumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. This is a story of two best friends whose names were Jumman and Algu. Algu Chaudhary. Okay, Jumman Sheikh. Yes, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Yes. So they were very best friends. They were good friends, and even if they look after uh, each other's family when the one is away from the village. Okay, and they both were greatly respected in the village. Okay, so here we know that Jumman had an old aunt and who had some property, and this she had given it to transfer it to Jumman to, and in return she wants Jumman to look after her. Okay, and keep her in a very proper way. So the things were very smooth and for a couple of years, and she was very well treated by them. She was very well loved by them, but later on things started changing. The situation started changing. Okay, now Jumman and his family were very tired of this old relative. Okay, they don't treat the way they used to treat her earlier. Okay, so this much clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So Jumman is actually giving giving his wife a very good support in this matter. Okay, Jumman is not taking any initiative regarding solving the problem between his wife and his aunt. Okay, so things are getting worst day by day. Okay, so now one day she thought that I have had a lot of insults. I'm not going to uh, give any. Now I'm not going to be with them anymore because patience has its limits. Okay, now she said that everything has gone beyond the limit. I am not going to tolerate this insult anymore. So she decided to leave Jumman's place at once, and then she said she had spoken to Jumman about this thing, and she said that I know I'm not welcomed at your in your home at all now. So I don't want to be with you. I just give me a monthly allowance, and I can make a separate kitchen for myself because I'm not going to suffer anymore. Okay. So to which Jumman replied that my wife knows the best how to run the house. You are not that much skilled, and don't ask such things to me ever again. Okay. Now this makes auntie very angry, and she decided to take her case where to the village panchayat. Okay. So for many days the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. So some of them are sympathized that whatever has been done to her is not fair, and some of them were
Ma'am,
laughing. Yes.
I'm making fun of her, and ma'am,
Yes, yes.
and a few told her to make it up with her nephew and his wife.
Yes, so few of them had suggested to make it up or resolve the conflict between your nephew and your wife. Okay, because things are going to be like that. Don't stretch the battle too much. Okay, or the fight between you and your nephew too much. So she has been given various solutions, but she was not very much satisfied with their solutions. Okay, whatever they are saying. So she came to Algu Chaudhary, who is one of the very best friend of Jumman, his nephew. auntie's nephew, okay, and spoke to him, and she said that Jumman she along according to Algu Chaudhary. Okay, now what Algu Chaudhary told auntie, he said that Chachi, Jumman is my best friend, how can I go against him? So Algu said, but is it right, son? Okay, to keep mum. Mum means not to speak anything and not to say what you consider just and fair. Okay, so she asked that if it whether is it just or is it fair to behave like that with the old lady. So come to the panchayat and speak the truth. So aunties invited Algu to the panchayat and come and speak the truth. Okay, now Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Okay, kept ringing that this is not just and fair. Okay, whatever has been done to her is not just and fair. Now the panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head punch." Okay, so they have to nominate a head punch, and I will abide by her decision. So he said that I am going to take the decision. I will be whatever verdict or decision will be taken, I am going to follow it. Okay, so the Panch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. So Algu Chaudhary had been selected by the old lady as a head punch. Fine, replied Jumman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck, because now Jumman knows that Algu Chaudhary is his very best friend and he is going to take a decision in his favor. Okay, so Jumman became very happy and he was filled with overjoy, filled with excitement that now he knows that the case is going to be in his court. So Chachi, you are aware of the friendship with Jumman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt, but I know also that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. So she said that I know whatever you are going to take the decision, it is not because of the friendship, but this is because of the justice, because you know what is fair and what is just. Okay, and God lives in the heart of the Panch and his voice is the voice of God. So God is the one who is not going to take any wrong what?
Decision.
Yes, any wrong decision. So yes, God never takes any wrong decision, and thus she said that if you will whatever you will be taking a decision, it is next to God. And the old lady explained her case. Jumman said, Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is dear to me. Okay. Now Algu started speaking now. Okay, he said that Jumman, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is dear to me, as you know. Okay, now I am a Panch. So he now explained his responsibility, that now being a Panch, you and your aunt are equal before me. Both of you are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Okay, in saving yourself, in order to save yourself. That is, defensing is to save oneself. Okay. So Jumman said that 3 years ago my aunt transferred her property to me and I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels. Quarrels means what? Fight. Okay, between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Others are the other Panch of Panchayat. Okay, this much clear?
Yes, ma'am, I'm completely clear.
Yes. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. That means we means all the Panch and Algu. In our opinion, in our suggestion, Jumman must pay. Okay, Jumman must pay and a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. So whatever property she has given to Jumman should go back to her. Okay, if Jumman is not able to take auntie's responsibility, then auntie's property should go back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. Why? Because now they have become a enemy. Okay, because Algu has taken a decision against Jumman. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now they become enemies. Okay, and in fact Jumman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Okay, so he wanted his revenge. Now days passed. This thing happened and the decision has been taken. Now days passed and ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. In a very tight spot means in a difficult situation. Yes, in a difficult situation. Okay, so he had found himself in a difficult situation. One of his fine pair of bullocks died. Okay, and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. So Sahu said that I will be paying you after a month. Okay, not immediately but after a month. It so happened that bullock died within a month. So this, what happened? That bullock died within a month. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. Okay, that means Sahu had not paid Algu's money even after a month. Okay, now Sahu got very angry and annoyed. I can't pay you a penny for a wretched beast. That means which a wretched beast, dead beast. Okay, and that you sold to me. Okay, he bought us nothing but ruin. He had ruined, he had damaged everything, and I have a bullock. Use it for a month and return it to me. And he said that I have one bullock and use it for a month and then you have to return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Okay, he said that I will not give you a single penny for a dead bullock. Okay, so Sahu denied paying Algu his amount which is due for his bullock. Okay, now the bullock is dead and he is not ready to pay for the dead bullock. Okay. Now Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparations for holding the panchayat were made and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. Okay, so now next what happened? A panchayat has again had been set for this argument. Okay, between Sanju Sahu and Algu Chaudhary. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the punch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by his decisions. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman because he knows that Jumman and Algu are the best enemies. They are the enemies. So definitely Jumman is going to take the decision against Algu. Okay, that is why intentionally he has taken Jumman's name. And Algu's heart sank because he knows that Jumman is not going to take the decision in his favor. And he turned pale. But what could he do? Okay, he turned very sad. Okay, so he cannot do anything because he has already said that whatever he will take the decision, I will be abiding by his decision. The moment Jumman became head punch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his work. Okay, of his work. So he now know that what kind of a person, what kind of a feeling a person have when they have been given such an important job. Okay, now could he seated in that high place have his revenge now? So he thought that should I have my revenge, because one decision and Algu is going to be losing the case. Okay, so he thought no, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They both have given their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease." Okay, so it's been taken that when Sahu had bought the bullock from Algu, it was not sick or disabled in any of the way. So the death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feelings and he stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory of the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch." So he was so excited, so happy that he started chanting this in the Panchayat. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat I had become your enemy. Today I realize what it means to be a Panch. A Panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. So let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu embraced his friend and wept. Wept means he cried. Okay, he cried and his tears washed away all the dirt and misunderstandings between them. That means they both become friends again. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this much clear?
Then this story is written by Munshi Premchand.
Yes, this story is written by Munshi Premchand. Okay, so clear this much? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm giving you, there are question answers at the back of the chapter, which I have already given the answers in the notebook also. So the most important, who says this to whom, okay, and answer the following questions. These are 10 questions are there, okay, and this I will, apart from this, I'm giving you a few more questions, okay, so that you have to write as a revision. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'm going to give you a few revisions in the group, okay, and I'll be sending it to you within few minutes. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Any questions in this chapter? Anything,
No, ma'am.
anything that you need to ask?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All the things are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so,
Yes, ma'am.
right, so I'm coming back to the meeting now.